Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Sagar Gak channel. As you can see here, the ideas page on the Indian Express. As you can see here, the dis and agree, the best of the both side. A weekly column will offers not in his version that but the best of the both side to be informed the debate. The Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal and comment on the India startup economy being less focused on the advanced technologies than that often China has been raised a question, can a gap be closed? A deep teacher. Firstly, there is both two paragraphs. First, we are discuss about a deep teach revolution is on a way. Indians' prosperity depends on the ability to be and diverse both the groceries to home and then satellites to orbits. And then we are discuss about the startups need an enability climate. They require a massive government investment, education reform, a risk taking culture, longer hand holding. Firstly, we study about the Pawan Kumar Chandrana written the paragraph, and now we start to study the deep teacher revolution is on a way. Indian prosperity depends on the ability or to deliver both groceries to home and satellite to orbit. In the 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first human-made satellite in the orbit. It joined the US into action. President Dwight D. Eisenhower called the American industrial and universal to prepare for the STEM demand of the era of deep scientist explorations must have been changed since then, yet history has the habit of rhyming today in a world moving towards reasonable rockets generate AI, humanoid robots, fusion tech, and flying taxis. Every nation is giving hold on the deep.
Germany and Japan spread over 3% of the GDP on R&D. China allocates just over the 2.68%. India spread under a 1%, but is not all bad. Uh, Advancement in the depth of technology and decadal project, and India is stepped up and albeit well-rated and odious entrepreneurs are the building a space launch vehicles, Skyroot, Agcool, Fly Taxis, Sarla, E-Panel, E-Plane, Blue Jay, Robotic, Ubbers, YRL, Crybits, Semiconductor, Groves, Quantum Solution, QN Lab, Defense Technology, Idea Forex, and iPov, and Electrical Mobility Solution, Ola, Anther, Ultraviolet. These are the bold beats that could rewrite history. Sky Roots is the first rocket launch in 2021. Vikram S opening of private space launcher in India. A similar shift is planning out of the India's defense technology, touch and electrical and urban mobility sectors. Adapt tech innovations like generation AI could add $1 trillion to the India GDP by FY30. Further, Nifty Ayog CEO Amitabh Pant has been noted that the changing effect of these technology would be an crucial for the India to become a develop economy, but a tech is not just an economic divisor, it is also an critical for the self-reliance, security, our capacity to develop and learn should must be an innovation provides a technology bullmark against the geopolitical uncertainties and supply chain and valuables. These are the gap India need to address. Build harder things to make a time longer that the venture capi- capital timelines allow for the creating a long gested Condausm. Then there is the Indian talent Konduran. This is there in India's talent paradox. Only a fraction of an engineer specialize in the forerunner technology, but there are the soluble problems. The US is facilitating a $500 billion AI initiative called the Stereo, and France is mobilizing toward AI development. China has been unevaluable as announced approximately $138 billion fund focus on an accelerating growth in an emerging technology. India is making the strategic and the foundational strides to be an Indian semiconductor mission allocate rupees 76,000 crore to be an build a fab capacity and designing ecosystem in the 2021 Union Cabinet approved the India AI mission allotment 10,371 crores to an establish a comprehensive AI economy and the recently announced rupees 10,000 crore deep tech fund and fund of funds and the rupees 1,000 crore space technology venture capital fund are aimed to bridging critical funding gaps and ca- uh, chat, catalyzing innovations. These invites all us and strong signals to the private investments ecosystem that the India is competed to playing the long game in the advanced technology. India has also undertaken significant policy reforms across the several high technology sectors to be and promote innovations and private sector participations and the boost the entrepreneurship and the self-reliance. These including the India Space Policy 2023 liberalizing these innovations are also send a strong signals to and private investment economy and that India is commuting to be an playing the long game in the advanced technology. India has been undertaken significant policy reforms across the several high-tech sectors. Sectors participate and boost entrepreneurship and self-reliance. This includes the Indian Space Policy 2023 and liberalized drones rules 2024, National Deep Tech Startup Policy Draft 2023, and the Nuclear Energy Expansion Policy 2024. Closer collaboration and between the India's premium universities and research institute and deep teacher startups is also needed. Educational reforms should focus on the building a framework of for the cutting edge research. The PTSPS focus on the promoting STEM education and offering to and training possibilities and good start. India could also take a leaf out of the playbook. US federal institutes like the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency and the NASA used to and encourage bolt in the innovations. The patent approvals poses could be and benefit for the some rocket speed. India's deep teach promoting programming could not be shouldn't be seen as an either or an proposal. Quick concern and other and consumer tech innovations has been about a cultural of risk taking and an effective efficiency to be a longer time. India's business landscape and the build a new network efforts of the NSCL business and employment for a national with over 65% of the of population under 30%. These sectors serve as a vital economic and social stabilizers. Our proper prospectives depends on our ability delivery both the glossaries to home and satellite to orbit. The blog has been sounded for the deep India's deep tech revolution. Now in the time to answer it.